Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So again we are on the Coinbase, and as you may have seen my video on Sai, it's doing pretty well as well. So as same for Cryptex and Echelon Prime, which I called way at around $8 I believe. So today we are looking at another coin which is called INV or Inverse Finance. So as you can see, it has a very low market cap, and I think there could be a trading opportunity around this coin. So first of all, let's look at some stats about INV coin. It has a market cap of around 24 million, so it is still a very low cap, and if even a small number of capital comes in, I think it could actually go up in price pretty fast. So another thing we have to note that it is available on Coinbase, SushiSwap, Get.io, MEXC, and Get.io. So its availability is not that great, and its volume is also pretty low. As you can see, only around 500,000 on Coinbase, so which is not that great. So the spread is also pretty high, which is not great as well. So in terms of it is crawling up towards its high. So as you can see here, we'll discuss what is going on behind the back. So first of all, Inverse is basically a lending platform where users can use their dollar, which is a stable coin, a stable coin developed by the Inverse Finance. So borrowing rights replace interest rates with fixed fees that you can earn more. So basically what the INV token is, that they have actually 4 tokens: INV, dollar, DBR, and S dollar. So the main token is INV. It is used for governance and staking. So basically once you stake your coin, you will be earning INV and getting DBR, which is basically dollar borrowing right token. So it is related to the dollar as well, the stable coin. So basically where were we? So we were right here. So basically you can actually use INV to borrow dollar or even earn rewards in INV or DBR. So DBR is also used for paying borrowing cost with DBR. As you can see here, to the borrower has to pay to the firm lending market, which is their platform, which is called FIRM, fixed rate lending market, as you can see here. So in terms of its utility, it has a pretty good utility. So another thing you have to note and keep in mind, that its supply is not limited actually. So that Inverse DAO actually can produce more supply as the time goes on, which could be a problem in the long run. But if there is a demand for it, I think it's pretty good. But if there is no demand, it may be a problem. So but still it can change depending on the DAO as well. So if the community decide to change that, they can actually do that as well. So in terms of buybacks, they did a buyback at once, but as of now there is no buyback happening. And if there will be, the proposals, and the community actually can pass the proposal, and if the community decides is yes, they will buy back those tokens as well. So in terms of supply, it has around 500k supply, as you can see here, so which is very low. So that is why it has a very big price, around $50 or $47. So let's look at their platform and why it is a pretty good. So first of all, their team is very active. The reason being that they actually if we go to their home, and this is their weekly update. So as you can see, if we look at the recent update, which was on the 11th March, so as you can see, they have a very detailed update on their protocol or on their platform. As you can see here, they have given a lot of things and a lot of data about their platform as well here. So in case so what we have here, this is their actually D app. As you can see here, you can actually use dollar and other things to do here. So basically dollar is used for staking pools, as you can see here, and it has over 145 API, which is pretty big, and it is also on Optimism as well as on Base, as you can see. So it's pretty good in terms of that. But there is a big problem with this token which we'll talk about. So in terms of if we look here, they have had a lot of hacks in the past, which may not be a good look, but all of them were in 2022 as of now, and I could not find any report in 2024, and ever since that they have done a lot of partnerships regarding their security. So if we look at their security, they have Immunify security, Code for Arena, and DeFi Moon, Pack Shield, and others. So they have actually taken security on the next level after those hacks and exploits. So in terms of user, they do not have that many users. That is a big problem. And if we look at their report, if we look at their recent report, as you can see here, they have actually listed how many users they had. So as you can see here, they had around 48 borrowers, 214 stakers, and active users around 213. So which is not that good number. So we need this number to go up if it wants to get the huge attention. So in terms of the transparency report, if we look here, if we look at the treasury, so the treasury has around 15 million in their treasury. As you can see, most of them are in VE NFTs, and beside that we have other things going on in their treasury, as you can see. So they have a pretty good transparency report, which is, I think, one of the reasons why this could be one of the good coin to hold, because of the transparency. So if there is any fishy going on, you can actually spot that here, and you can find out if there is any issue. So I think their main point is the community built around them, so which is pretty good as well. So in terms of users, you can see here, these are the actual stats about the user, and they do not look that good. So if we want it, I think we need more users on board if it wants to gain a lot of attraction. So in terms of their DeFi, or in terms of their TVL, as you can see here, the TVL is going up slowly after the launch of S-Dollar. S-Dollar is basically a fixed yield on dollar. So after that, they have been gaining pretty good TVL in the upward direction. So now let's look at the price, which is the last thing. So I think the reason why it could go up and it has been going up slowly is because it actually broke out in the weekly chart, as you can see, and this break and it actually retested around here as well. And I think this retest actually means that it could even go up again. So if it wants to go up, I think we need to break this resistance before going up. So if we do see if we can get a breakout at this support, if we can break, okay, just a second, let me draw it for you. So if we can actually get the breakout at this resistance with a momentum, I think we will be able to go up again. So still we need a demand for it, and for that we need the users to increase. But this is one of the low caps which you can actually keep your eye on because of the transparency report and everything going on around their protocol. But you have to keep in mind, they have had hacks or exploits in the past, so that is something you have to keep in mind. So this was it. In terms of its price, I think it could actually head towards at least $100 or $150 in this cycle, because as the alts go up, I think the demand for low cap like these actually goes up, and we can also see pump and dump scheme as well. So this is one of those coins which can actually get pump due to low capital, and it could actually dump as well, but it has a pump potential as well. So thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. I will be back with more. Thank you.